And I will request Speaker Assembly Kraft to please honor our judge. And I will request SADAF and SHAMA to please come here, please. SADAF and SHAMA, the newly elected assemblywomen, and this is honor of the community. This is what we're talking about, the South Asian community. Thank you, Judge. Thank you. South Asian community is full of entrepreneurs, doctors, engineers, business owners, small, bigger, billion-dollar business owners, millions of dollars business owners. One of the example of we have among with us, Kenny Desai is entrepreneur serving the community. Whenever the community needs him, he is there for even his political or non-political. So these kind of leaders we need, and SACO always recognize people who has bring value to the community. So this is an honor for me to introduce Kenny Desai. HR for our community to grow in the future, especially for our kids. So please be patient. And I'm humble and honored to introduce two Muslim Pakistani descent assemblywomen elect from New Jersey, SADAF JAFFER and SHAMA HAIDER. I'm going to ask these two beautiful women to say just quick 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you. SHAMA HAIDER.
Thank you, Sam. I'm honored and privileged to be here in this wonderful gathering. I'm not sworn in as yet. It's going to be in just January 11, but you can count on me hitting the ground running to do my very best for my district and for my community. Thank you.
Hi everyone, it's really an honor to be here. All of the speakers have said so many wonderful positive words, and I just want to add to that we're moving in the right direction in New Jersey. We're getting more inclusive in terms of our representation at the local level, at the state level, at the county level, and that's what we want to see. So I just want to say to anyone out there who's even considered running for office, you can do it. You deserve a seat at the table, and I'm so thankful to all the leaders here who supported us and to all of you for getting out there, for voting, for engaging your communities, because that's what we need. Thank you.
South Asian Community Outreach is a non-profit organization. So even though I'm a Democrat myself, but there's so many other Republicans in the audience, I will request Senator Sam Thompson, the Republican senator, to say a few words, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.
A large gathering of South Asian community. It's wonderful to be here. Congratulations to all the honorees, to all the awardees tonight. It's wonderful to see Judge Zahid Qureshi.